What's up, Jooba people? I'm gonna play this song in a second. Before I do, I want to tell you that this song is great to learn if you're a beginner or if you are on your way to becoming an immediate player. So you're kind of like not a beginner, but you're kind of on your way. So let me show you what it sounds like. And it's nice to sing as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just uses the easy D chord. Sorry, ba-dum-bum. It's all that you can say. Years gone by and still words don't come easily. Like sorry, like sorry. You can also use an A7. I'm gonna skip the second verse and go straight to the chorus. But you can say, baby, baby, can I hold you tonight? Maybe if I told you the right words, at the right time, would you be mine? Really nice song. Really, it's got some nice riffs like this D. Take off the middle finger. You get D sus2, A7 sus4, which sounds like a big chord, but it's just like 2 fingers, and then A7. Okay, so let's walk through it step by step. We're gonna go through the intro and then the verse first. Okay, so the intro goes like this. I'm gonna play it for you slowly. And then A7, A7. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the verse is exactly the same. It's just like sorry, boom. It's all that you can. Instead of going back to D, you go to the E minor. Say. And then you do the A riff again. Years gone by and still. Then it starts, it just loops. So that part is just G, A. I'll show you the chords quickly so you can see what that looks like. Okay. So see that? That's the intro. D. The D sus2, where you take this finger off, it's not written down because it's just like a kind of, it's actually still kind of D. It's actually a D sus2, but we didn't write it down. You know why I didn't do it? I just didn't want to write too many D's on the page. Anyway, everywhere you see D, it's going to be D, D sus2. So there you have it. You can screenshot that. Second verse is exactly the same. It's just exactly the same. Chorus. It's a little bit different. No funky business taking fingers off. It's just, but you can say, baby, E minor. Baby, can I hold you tonight? Maybe if I told you the right words. See B minor there? Let me show you guys how this B minor that I use. So I got the second fret on the 5th string, 3rd string, and 1st string. B minor. You can use this B minor, or you can use this B minor. But this one is the easiest, and if you know this one, use that one. It sounds a little bit better than this one, but okay, but anyway, you see, you get the idea. Practice that, come back to the chorus. Maybe if I told you the right words, ooh, at the right time, would you be mine? Pretty simple. Second verse, exactly the same as the first verses. That's all you need to know. 2 sections. Pretty cool. If you want to do more of these songs, let me know in the comments so I can do them. Okay, have a nice day, guys. See you soon. Subscribe, like, please. We're almost 1,000 subscribers.